Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, you're welcome back to the class. And continuing on our practical, we have before us salt. The normal salts we use in the kitchen, table salt, and then we have water. So we want to mix water with salt, and then we will separate it using evaporation to dryness. Everybody say that?
Evaporation to dryness.
That means today we'll be doing evaporation to dryness, okay? Yes. So we have our evaporating dish here. So we are going to mix salt with water. So we will measure 10 cm, see 10 here. Measure 10 cm of water using the measuring cylinder. Get to 10. Pour it in the beaker. Get to here. Pour in the beaker. Okay, so we put salt. Add more. Salt. Yeah. So we have a mixture of salt and water. You know salt is soluble in water. Do you know that?
Yes.
So that's why I'm turning it. Why it's taking time is because we poured too much salt, so we can say that this is a saturated solution. Okay? Yes. Okay. So I'll pour this mixture in evaporating dish. Then I will apply heat to it. Okay, so as we have applied heat to it, it's expected that as the mixture acquires heat, the water will start evaporating and leaving the salt in the evaporating dish. Okay?
Yes.
So this method actually is used to separate solid solute from a liquid solvent, okay?
Yes.
And you can see that this solid actually is soluble in the solvent, meaning it dissolves in the liquid. The solvent we have here is water, okay?
Yes.
So that's why we want to use this method. And why actually we are using this method also is because this salt cannot decompose easily on heating. Okay, if it were to be salt that can decompose easily on heating, we will not be using this, because as you keep applying heat to it, it will start decomposing. Okay, but this one, we have here, we are considering the boiling point of the liquid and the melting point of the solid. So seeing that this solid we have here cannot decompose on heating, that is why we are using evaporation to dryness. Okay. So you can see now, as we keep applying heat, can you see that the salt is gradually separating?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the salt here, the salt crystals? Can you see the water here?
Yes.
So as we keep applying heat, the water will keep evaporating, okay? Yes. Actually, this method is majorly used in salt industry, okay? So here in salt industry, most of the times they will just get seawater, and when the seawater is gotten, the water is allowed to evaporate, leaving the salt in the evaporating dish. So you can see now as it's boiling. Are you seeing it boiling?
Yes.
Okay, so the water will keep evaporating, and then our salt will be left in the evaporating dish. So come. Can you see now?
Yes.
You see, the water has evaporated. It's just remaining small, and we'll have only salt. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is evaporating what? To dryness. Evaporation to
Dryness.
Okay. So what will happen is, as the water evaporates, we'll turn off the gas, and then we'll allow it to get cool, okay?
Yes.
And once it gets cool, we'll get our salt back. Okay, so we'll turn off the gas now. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Turn off the gas and allow it to get cold. Are you seeing the salt?
Yes, ma'am.
Sea salt. So you'll be asking, where is the water? The water has evaporated. So we can say that we have sacrificed the water. Okay, so we have ended up with the practical evaporation to dryness. Thank you. See you back in our next class.
Thank you, ma'am.